To add caption from audio, let's go over to this great sign here and click on videos, and we'll choose the video type we want to work on. For me, it's a landscape video. From here, I'm going to come to this plus sign here and click on blank. Spread out this blank a bit to cover out, and I'll quickly change the color of my blank page to black. Now let me take this up here and I'll go to elements to add in an image. This is just a placeholder. You might already have your video you want to work with. I'm going to click on this image and go to transparency and tune down the transparency to 10. Now that I have this, I want to go to upload where I have my audio and come over to audio. If you don't have your audio already here in Canva, you can upload it from here. But for me, I have my audio here, and if you notice, the audio is 4 minutes. So I'm going to tap on the audio like so to add it to my design. You see, because my playhead was here, my audio started here. So I'm just going to pull the audio to start from the beginning, and let me make sure that it did start from the beginning. I will go to sleep and make sure I pull out all the audio, so you see it started from the beginning. Now to get my audio out to be 4 minutes as it is, I would switch to zoom timeline, and let me take this down and let me spread this page I added to the 4 minutes. You see my audio has finished coming out, and let me bring this back. Let me close this out and come to this image also and stretch it out also as I did the page. So add caption, you come over to text here and scroll down, you will see captions here, and you click on the captions. If you notice, it says one of one suitable for captioning, and if you click this drop down, you will see that is our audio that is selected, that we actually do not have any video in this design. You can see we added only images, and from the choose style here, you can select the styles you want your captions to play in. You can just hover your mouse and you see how the captions are animating. I sort of like this one, but whichever one that grabs your attention, you can work with that. Let's select this style. I would select it and I will click on generate captions, and my captions has been added beautifully into my design. If I take this caption and pull it up, just for it to be at the center of the image, you can leave it where it was and go over to captions. You can see your captions all here. From here, you're going to be able to edit each of this caption to match what your audio is saying. And let's preview what the caption looks like.
I wake up every day, try to wear my smile, even when my hands won't move in style. I'm more than the tremor.
You can see that when it's playing, this is moving, and you're able to click on the edit and start editing whichever caption you want. If you want to delete, click on that caption and choose delete. To take this one step further, you can see edit the effects. If you don't like the effects that you used, you can come over to effects here and choose a different effect from what it is you already have. And also you can also choose a different animation than what it has already. You can see we have 3 animation. This one's here. You can choose which one that work for you. Currently is on review. You can choose highlights. If you choose on highlight, you see how it's highlighting our text. You have your captions ready.